Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to review my favorite extendable ratchet from Facom. It comes with this style of packaging with all the information about the ratchet on it. The part number of this ratchet is JXL171. Facom is a French brand now owned by Stanley Black & Decker. Facom is one of the most well-reputed industrial and hand tools brand in Europe. Let's open up the packaging and look into the detail of the ratchet. Before jumping into its telescopic feature, let's check over all the looks of the ratchet. I would say it is a fantastic looking ratchet with shiny chrome finish. The handle is made of bi-material elastomer. The red part of the handle is hard plastic and the black material is made of elastomer, which is high quality material for comfort and highly resistant to the harsh environment. Handle has some grooves for firm grip. Edge of the handle has hanger hole to hang the ratchet. The handle material is not very soft. At the same time, it is not that hard due to special material they used on it. I think it will be easy to wipe the dirt and grease out of the handle. Facom is printed on the red part. Facom is also stamped on the metal shaft. Part number is stamped and not laser edged, which I always like since it will not fade away with the time. Nice chrome finish and workmanship is top notch. Quick release push button is smooth. The annual mechanism is maintenance free and not serviceable in case of failure. Facom do offer lifetime warranty, I believe. Facom call this ratchet dust-proof mechanism. The ratchet is pear-shaped and it is low profile, which can fit in tight areas. Nice and firm swivel yet smooth action. The articulated head does not have the lock. It swings freely. It is not floppy at all. With the time it will get floppy, I guess, but no worries. You can tie down the Allen head screw and it will be firm again. If you notice that the lever here is quite big, but I tell you guys, it is well recessed and changing direction is very easy and smooth. Even with the gloves, there will be no problem. The lever made of solid metal. Now let's check main feature of this ratchet, which is extendability of the ratchet. This part is spring loaded for detent action. When you push it downward and hold it, the telescopic mechanism is free and ratchet can be extended until you release it, and it will lock the extension in 6 different positions. The edge of the joint where ratchet extend has the same material as the handle, and this is the place where ball detent locks the ratchet into position. Handle slides in and out without any force. They are very smooth and robust. The mechanism is silky smooth. The shaft is not round unlike other ratchets, so this is flat type shaft can be beneficial in certain tight space situations. The handle grip is awesome. This handle is on little bulkier side but feels really nice in hands. I tell you guys, it is not wobbly at all even when fully extended. I love the way it extends for extra torque. Build quality is amazing. Fantastic piece of tool. Let's try some sockets on it. Quick release function is smooth and socket is seated smoothly and will not fall off. 72 teeth design, which is pretty basic, but it is still smooth. Let's have a brief comparison with the famous snap-on 12-inch long ratchet. The handle is a bit bulkier of Facom, but the ratchet head is smaller than the snap-on ratchet. Facom ratchet is kind of 2-in-1 ratchet. You don't need to buy 2 or more ratchets of different length when you own this Facom ratchet. I'm very impressed with the ratchet and can't wait to use that in my next job. Okay guys, this is it with the review. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, consider to subscribe my channel. See you in another video.